Okay, good morning. It's 6:21 on January 4th, 2010, and I have to go to school today. First day back from break, but, I am tired. I haven't had coffee, and I still am gonna put in my hair extensions. They're, turquoise, but I need to brush my hair first. My brush is downstairs. Yeah. So, I'm actually kind of excited for today because I get to see my friend, and she was gone the whole break, or part of the break, like the last week of it. And I am wearing my Blink-182 shirt. Yeah, and my Cobra Starship necklace. And then my black skinnies, some bracelets. I always wear bracelets. I have terrible lighting in my bedroom. Cause I'm like in the corner of the room, and then there's like lights in the middle and the other corner. But yeah, I don't wear my Converse today, just cause. Then me and Melly are gonna try to get rid of one of her friends. It's gonna be hilarious. Cause she doesn't want to be friends with her anymore. I'm cold. Now I'm complaining. Oh thank God, the heater. Yeah, you can see my wall behind me. I really don't know what it is. It's the wall. I'm listening to Z104. It's only it's a good radio station. That was Zanny here. Because she just threw a teddy bear.
Sorry, I didn't.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go because that's like 3 minutes. So, bye.